Welcome back. I have another tutorial for you guys today. It's this fun sunny French design. I'm going to show you how I created it, and I love that it's just so bright and happy. So the polish I'm featuring today is Filling Wellies. It's this gorgeous creamsicle color, and that's one of my spring favorites. And then this other polish is Souls on Fire, and it's from their summer collection last year. And if you can't tell, I can't get enough of orange polishes lately. So I've done the design on all my nails except for one, and I'm going to show you how I created it here. Here are the brushes I use for this design. The skinnier one is a Winstonia brush that I use all the time. You've seen it here. I'll link these below. The other one is from a craft store, and the brushes on it were kind of not very good, but I did the best I could with it today. And then for cleanup, I love to use this Sonia Kashuk concealer brush. I've been using it for years. And then I also did the arch with that too. So I'm going to come in with this kind of crappy craft brush here. I'm doing the best that I can, and I'm going to put on a stripe of Filling Wellies, not all the way to the top, and I'm going to use my skinnier brush to fill in the corners. And as you guys know, I'm a little bit messy. My skin comes up a little bit high on my nail, so it's hard for me to prevent getting polish on that. But I'm just going to fill that in as much as I can. It's okay. You're going to come with your cleanup brush and smooth that all out so it doesn't have to be perfect, and it doesn't have to be perfect on top either. So then I did a second coat on that after it dried, and then I'm going to use that cleanup brush with some acetone and just clean up that line right there. Makes it really nice. And then clean up any polish that got on the side of your finger here. And then I'm going to come in with my brighter orange Souls on Fire, and I'm going to do a nice layer of that. This polish, or any kind of brighter polish, are going to be a little bit foamy, and so I don't want to go over it too much. I'm going to let that first layer dry, and then I'm going to come in with a second layer here and get that down as low as I can get it, and then fill that in with the second coat. And I like the corner of that French to come at least halfway down the nail, or a little bit further than that. So I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to come in with my fast drying top coat. I'm using Essie Gel Couture here, and I'm going to push down a little bit because those are a little bit bumpy, and just smooth that out really nicely. You'll see me kind of pressing down. And that is it, you guys. I hope you really like this design. I hope it brought you a little bit of sunshine during this crazy time. If you recreate this design, use hashtag inspired by GoPolished in Instagram so I can see it. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.